I bet you didn't know how amazing zucchini can be. Welcome to Unlocking the Health Benefits of Zucchini. It's Dr. Oz, and today we're diving into the world of a vegetable that's often overlooked but packs a serious nutritional punch. I'm talking about zucchini. This green wonder is more than just a summer squash, it's a powerhouse of health benefits that deserves a spot on your plate. Many people walk right past zucchini in the grocery store thinking it's bland or boring. But let me tell you, they're missing out on a veggie superstar. Zucchini is low in calories but high in nutrients. It's like nature's multivitamin in a green package. And the best part? It's incredibly versatile in the kitchen. So, why should you care about zucchini? Well, it's not just about eating your greens. Zucchini is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can boost your health in amazing ways. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of zucchini? Let's dive in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share it with your friends and family to spread the zucchini love. Let's break down what makes zucchini so special. First off, it's incredibly low in calories. One medium zucchini has only about 33 calories, but don't let that fool you. It's packed with goodness. Zucchini is an excellent source of vitamin C, crucial for your immune system. 1 cup of zucchini provides about 35% of your daily vitamin C needs. Vitamin C is also great for your skin, helping produce collagen. Zucchini is also rich in vitamin A, essential for your eye health. It helps protect against age-related eye problems. Zucchini contains significant amounts of vitamin K, crucial for blood clotting and bone health. And let's not forget about the B vitamins folate, riboflavin, and B6, all important for energy production and brain function. Zucchini is a good source of potassium, vital for heart health and blood pressure regulation. It also contains manganese, important for bone health and wound healing. Zucchini is rich in antioxidants like lutein, zeaxanthin, and beta-carotene. These powerful compounds help protect your cells from damage. They're like little bodyguards for your cells. So next time you see zucchini at the store, remember it's a treasure chest of nutrients. It's not just a low-calorie option, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Let's keep exploring how this veggie can benefit your health. If you're trying to lose weight, zucchini should be your new best friend. It's incredibly low in calories and high in water content, filling you up without adding many calories. Zucchini is high in fiber, crucial for weight loss because it helps you feel full and satisfied. Fiber also slows down digestion, keeping your blood sugar stable. Studies have shown that increasing your intake of low-calorie, high-fiber foods like zucchini can lead to significant weight loss. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who ate more fiber-rich vegetables lost more weight over time. They didn't feel like they were on a restrictive diet. Zucchini can also help prevent weight gain. A study in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who ate more non-starchy vegetables like zucchini were less likely to gain weight over time. So, whether you're trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight, zucchini can be a valuable addition to your diet. It's like having a secret weapon in your weight management arsenal. Let's move on to how zucchini can benefit your heart. Now let's talk about your heart. Zucchini can be a powerful ally in keeping your heart healthy. It's rich in potassium, which plays a crucial role in heart health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease. By eating potassium-rich foods like zucchini, you can help keep your blood pressure in check. The antioxidants in zucchini, particularly vitamin C and beta-carotene, help reduce inflammation in your body. Chronic inflammation is linked to heart disease. Zucchini is also a good source of fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels, particularly LDL or bad cholesterol. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who ate more fiber-rich vegetables had lower levels of LDL cholesterol. So by adding zucchini to your diet, you're not just filling your plate, you're protecting your heart. Let's talk about your gut. A healthy digestive system is crucial for overall health, and zucchini can play a big role in keeping your gut happy. The fiber in zucchini acts like a broom, sweeping through your digestive tract and keeping things moving smoothly. Zucchini contains both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in your gut, helping you feel full longer. It also feeds the good bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy microbiome. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool and helps prevent constipation. Zucchini's high water content is crucial for good digestion, helping keep things moving through your digestive system. Zucchini is also gentle on the stomach, making it a great choice for people with sensitive stomachs or conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. So if you're looking to improve your digestive health, adding zucchini to your diet is a simple and delicious way to do it. Now let's focus on how zucchini can benefit your eyes. Zucchini can be a powerful ally in maintaining good eye health. It's rich in antioxidants called lutein and zeaxanthin, which accumulate in the retina and help protect your eyes from harmful light rays. Studies have shown that people who eat diets rich in lutein and zeaxanthin have a lower risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Zucchini is also a good source of beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A, crucial for eye health. Vitamin A helps maintain the surface of your eye and is a component of rhodopsin, a protein in your eyes that allows you to see in low-light conditions. Zucchini also contains vitamin C, another antioxidant that's important for eye health. Vitamin C helps maintain the health of blood vessels in your eyes. Some studies suggest that vitamin C may help prevent or delay the progression of cataracts. So, by adding zucchini to your diet, you're giving your eyes the nutrients they need to stay healthy and sharp. Let's talk about something you might not see, but that has a big impact on your health-free radicals. These are unstable molecules that can damage your cells and contribute to aging and diseases. But don't worry, nature has provided us with a powerful weapon against free radicals: antioxidants. And guess what? Zucchini is packed with them. Zucchini contains a variety of antioxidants, including vitamin C, beta-carotene, and manganese. These compounds act like little soldiers in your body, neutralizing free radicals before they can cause damage. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect your cells from oxidative stress. Zucchini also contains polyphenols, which are plant compounds with strong antioxidant properties. One of these polyphenols is lutein, which can help protect against certain types of cancer and may even have anti-inflammatory effects. Another important antioxidant in zucchini is beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, crucial for immune function and skin health. So, by eating zucchini, you're arming your body with a powerful arsenal of antioxidants to fight off those pesky free radicals. Now that we know all about the health benefits of zucchini, let's talk about how to get more of it into your diet. The great thing about zucchini is its versatility. You can eat it raw, cooked, baked, grilled, or even spiralized as a pasta substitute. Let's start with a simple recipe: zucchini noodles or zoodles. Turn your zucchini into noodles and sauté them lightly with some olive oil and garlic. Top with your favorite pasta sauce and voila! You have a low-carb, nutrient-packed alternative to traditional pasta. Another easy way to use zucchini is in baking. Zucchini bread is a classic, but have you ever tried zucchini brownies? Grate some zucchini and add it to your favorite brownie recipe. It adds moisture and nutrients without changing the taste. For a savory option, try grilled zucchini. Slice it lengthwise, brush with olive oil, and sprinkle with your favorite herbs. Grill for a few minutes on each side until you get those beautiful char marks. And here's a pro tip: if you have leftover grilled zucchini, chop it up and add it to your morning omelet. Now here's something exciting: growing your own zucchini. It's easier than you might think, and there's nothing quite like the satisfaction of eating vegetables you've grown yourself. Plus, homegrown zucchini often tastes better and can have higher nutrient content than store-bought varieties. To start, you'll need some zucchini seeds, good soil, and a sunny spot in your garden or on your balcony. Zucchini plants love warmth, so wait until after the last frost to plant them. Plant the seeds about an inch deep and 3 to 4 feet apart. Water them regularly, and in about 50 to 60 days, you'll have your first harvest. A single plant can produce several pounds of zucchini over a season. Gardening has been shown to reduce stress and improve mental health. Plus, it's a fun activity to do with kids, teaching them about where food comes from and encouraging them to eat more vegetables. Zucchini isn't just popular in American cuisine, it's a beloved vegetable in many cultures around the world. Let's take a culinary journey and explore how different countries use this versatile veggie. In Italy, where zucchini originated, it's a staple in many dishes. One popular preparation is zucchine alla scapece, where zucchini is fried and then marinated in vinegar, mint, and garlic. In France, they make a dish called ratatouille, a vegetable stew that features zucchini prominently. So next time you're cooking, think globally and get inspired by these delicious zucchini dishes.